In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Binance to a bank account quickly and safely for various regions. Whether you're trying to move your funds out of Binance to a bank account in Australia, India, South Africa, or the UAE, this guide will make it super simple for you. I saw Binance withdrawal tutorials by MoneyZG and another guide by Guide Realm as well as one by Economics changed me and loved their efforts, but I'll explain a few more things, especially regarding the safety of your withdrawal, and we'll do that right now. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful resource there for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover the processing times for Binance withdrawals to your country. Now let's get started with withdrawing by bank transfer. This method allows you to move funds directly from your Binance account to your local bank account. Binance supports various fiat currencies, and depending on your region and the currency you're withdrawing, you'll be using either a direct bank transfer or a third-party payment processor that facilitates the transfer to your bank. Now, here are the steps. To begin, go to the Binance app or their website at binance.com, then click or tap on Wallet. Typically, the wallet is located in the top navigation bar on their website or at the bottom of the screen if you're using the Binance mobile app. The funds will most likely be in your fiat and spot wallet, which holds your available funds for trading and withdrawal. Click or tap on Fiat and Spot. Next, click on the Withdraw button. On the withdrawal interface, select the Fiat option. You'll now see a list of the fiat currencies that Binance supports for withdrawal. Choose the currency that aligns with your bank account's currency, for example, USD, Euro, British Pounds, or more. Selecting the same currency can help you avoid potential conversion fees from your bank. If the currency you need isn't listed, you might have to convert your cryptocurrency to that fiat currency within Binance first. After selecting your fiat currency, you'll see the available withdrawal methods. Look for and select bank transfer. The exact phrasing might vary based on your region. You'll now be asked to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount and double-check this figure before proceeding. Next, you'll need to provide your bank account information, like account holder name, which must precisely match the name registered on your Binance account. Also, you'll provide the bank name, which is the full name of your bank, and the account number, which is your bank account number. Then provide the physical address of your bank. For those withdrawing to the EU region, you'll likely need to provide the IBAN of your recipient bank account. This is a standardized format for bank account numbers within the single euro payments area or SEPA region. Ensure you enter the IBAN correctly. For those withdrawing to regions where SWIFT is required, like India, the United States, Indonesia, and more, you'll need to provide the SWIFT BIC code of your recipient bank. This is a unique identifier for your bank. You might also be asked for intermediary bank details in some cases. Be aware that SWIFT transfers can sometimes incur higher fees and take longer to process. Depending on your country, you might be asked for additional information such as a sort code, for example, for UK banks, or a BSB code, for example, for Australian banks. Pay close attention to the required fields. Carefully and accurately fill in all the necessary bank details, as incorrect bank details can lead to significant delays or even irreversible loss of funds. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the final steps. Before finalizing your withdrawal request, you'll be presented with a summary of the transaction. This will include the withdrawal amount, the selected bank account details, and any applicable fees. Thoroughly review all the information displayed. Pay particular attention to the bank account number, IBAN, and SWIFT BIC code, if applicable. If everything is correct, click on Confirm or a similar button to proceed with the withdrawal. You'll likely be asked to complete one or more verification steps, which might include SMS or email authentication, Google Authenticator, or passkey, using face or fingerprint verification. Enter the required verification code to authorize the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal and completed all security verifications, your request will be submitted for processing. Withdrawal times to your bank account will vary. Please check the video description below for duration specific to different countries. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that if you're signing up for Binance, check the pinned comment or description to get our exclusive referral link. You'll not only get some exclusive perks, but you'll also be supporting the channel, so I really appreciate it. To explore more Binance and crypto video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.